Hey guys, hello. How you doing? What's good? What's popping? And yeah, sure. Welcome back to the channel. So another day, another beauty. And guess what? Today is it's gonna be different because we're talking about the upcoming, or should I say, yet to release Air Jordan 4 Fire Red. So yeah, but before anything, I would like to make a let's take a throwback to when the Air Jordan 4 silhouette first released in 1989 or thereabout. It released in 4 different colorways and fire red was one of them. So yeah, today we're talking about the fire red as well. So yeah, this is what I got. So well, I think this is another an iconic, anticipated Air Jordan 4 of the year 2020. Most iconic, most anticipated Air Jordan 4, because I've been expecting this. I've been trying to see what people got about this, and yeah, I got it. It's here, and I'm gonna make a quick review about this. So let's go. So first of all, before when you see a shoe or when you see anything, the first thing that attracts your eyes, that attract your attention, is the front view. So yeah, let's talk about the toe box. So yeah, the toe box, made of two leather panel that comes in a cool and soft white leather, as you can see. So the colorway over here is just like white, and it's perfect. I love it. So talking about the lace or the center part of the shoe, it has this white flat laces that's actually weaved through the Air Jordan 4 laces highlight. So yeah, I think this color with the colorway, the color of the laces and the colorway is just so perfect. And another interesting thing about it is weaving it through the highlights also makes it looks more matured and classic and more fashionable. Well, if you want, you can actually lose it out, you can let it out, and to your own personal interest. But as for me, I feel this is quite okay. So let's talk about the upper part, that's the tongue. So here you have the same leather as well, I think. Yeah, the same leather for the used to make the general shoe in particular. Okay, so here you have this patch of Jumpman and the flight text underneath it, which actually makes it looks more real and makes it more Air Jordan 4. So talking about the insole of it, in the inside part you have this red colored socks, whatever, that just makes it looks more amazing and makes it match with the name in fire red. So inside as well you have this Air Jordan stitch to it upside down as usual. Well, maybe you can actually bring it out, maybe like the old school or the old fashioned sense, but I feel this is just so okay. So talking about the heel isn't bad. No, not so transparent, not so designed or something, just feels so perfect. So over here you have the Nike text around it on the black heel actually, and makes it looks more amazing because of the lower heel of the shoe, which is also made of red and black. So the space as well is red and black, it makes it looks more dope and easier. So talking about the bottom of the shoe, yeah, you got this red, white and gray rubber outsole with the herringbone traction, which actually makes the lower part looks more dope. So this gray part actually extends to the front and to the back as well, which is so amazing, I guess. So yeah, 2020 has just been so good when it comes to sneakers, because everything about it is so cool. I know you get what I'm saying, and yeah, if you're actually like a sneakerhead like me, you're gonna understand and you're gonna know what it's like. So yeah, if you wanted something like this, and yeah, before that, set to release on the 28th of November also. Yeah, 28th of November. So you can actually keep open for the best, and you can take your time, check it out before you get yours. And for the sizing is quite okay, because the inner part might be quite narrow, but yeah, you just have to go for your perfect size. So yeah, thanks for staying tuned and thanks for watching. So don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and if you got anything to say about this, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. I'll be waiting to hear from you guys. So yeah, for something like this, you can check through the affiliated link below, and yeah, you get this for yourself. So thanks and peace out.